Hi, this is Ed Cosgrove. I'm in Brownwood, Texas, and we have Jamco, the famous James Fortenberry, as our roofer. He's putting on the CeDUR shakes. Has been on it about a week and a half or so, and let's see, they're Waldens, and he's doing a fantastic job. I cannot believe how realistic those shingles are. We looked at them all, and I thought these would be the best, and more they are. They're just fantastic. So I'm just calling to let you know that. Really good. And James has taken unbelievable care and is doing everything very precisely, and it's really turning out well. So just want to let you know, you can call me anytime or have anyone call me and ask about CeDUR. Is it good? Does it work? Whatever, and I'll be glad to testify to the fact that they're the best. Anyway, Ed Cosgrove, thank you.